Hello friends, let's learn G and K spelling rules with Rikhil. C and K both are making same sound, k, and always confusing. How do we know which one to spell? But C is also making soft sound, S, like city and circle. We will learn this one in my next video. When we hear k at the beginning of a word, how do we know to spell the word with C or K? C comes before A, O, U, and K comes before I, E, Y. For understanding this rule, we will make one large C. And now we are going to use vowel A as eyes. So let's use 2A as eyes. We put O for the nose and U for the mouth. And when we draw ears and whiskers, we will get our cute little cat. And this cute little cat is showing C is having friendship with A, O, U. For understanding this rule, we'll draw one more drawing with the help of letter K. First, we'll draw a big K, and we are going to turn this K like a diamond or kite like this. And we add this like how the kite have. We put I, E here and Y at the bottom of the kite. Now we have K with I, E and with Y. Whenever K sound is followed by A, O, U, it is spelled with letter C. And when it is followed by I, E, Y, it is spelled with letter K. Let's see some examples. Cat, cat, op, cop, up, cup. Here, k sound is followed by A, O, U. So it is spelled with letter C. Let's see some examples with letter K. K-I-T, kit. K-I-P, keep. Here K sound is followed by I and E, so it is spelled with letter K. Thank you for learning C and K rules with Rikhil. See you in my next video.